We've got a great program set up for GAAS this year. We tried to make it a little bit more practical so that all aspects of the aftermarket industry could go back to their offices with some takeaways that they could really use in their everyday business. For example, we talk about OEM versus aftermarket quality. What's in the box? I mean, that's a key question that all of us have to be talking about on a regular basis. We also talk about the supply chain and what's important to every level of the supply chain. And so if we hear that what's important to an installer, a WD will want to know that, a manufacturer will want to know that, and quite honestly, the installer will want to know what's coming from the jobber and the warehouse distributor and the manufacturer. So we have that takeaway. We're also talking about where people are going to get their vehicles fixed. Are they going to be going to the dealerships? Or are they going to be going to the independent aftermarket? So we think that's pretty important. We're also going to be talking about technology and new technology, things from smartphones to the smart cars and what people can use with new technology to get information on how to do repairs, how to find where to shop for their parts and things like that. So we really are targeting the symposium this year to have practical takeaways for the North American aftermarket. Well, this is really the spring event for the aftermarket. We have a lot of people from all areas of the business, from manufacturing, reselling, warehouse distributor community, and the trade associations and the trade press come to this. One of the big things about the show is not just, or the meeting is not just the speakers, but the ability to interact with all your peers, people from different parts of the country, U.S., Canada, Mexico, and all parts in between, and share issues of common interest and talk about what's going on. And so we've set aside a considerable amount of time for networking, both at lunch, and we're not going to have a speaker at lunch this year because we want people to be able to network during the luncheon experience, as well as the breaks have enough time that we can make phone calls, check our emails, and do some networking. Well, the cause is really to get young people who are interested in getting into the aftermarket business, give them some financial support as they go about getting their education. And they can be anyone there can be people that are getting 4-year degrees, 2-year degrees, and technicians. And so our hope is that they will all get into the automotive business and the automotive aftermarket, and with the monies that are provided through the GAAS program, we'll be able to get educated and contribute in the future, because we all started out as these young guys and young gals someplace in our life, and this is our ability to kind of pass this on to the younger generation. We will be giving out probably $100,000 worth of scholarships as a result of this symposium, if we have enough attendees and we have enough sponsors, is what the goal will be. And over the years, we've given out well over $1 million in scholarships as a result of this. And what we find is that about 80% of the people that we give the financial support to end up in our industry.